Flickering lights are shining down. Your eyes reflect the endless sea. When rain begins its melody, your hands are reaching out for mine. The silent world fades out in time. The sky may cry without a clue, but in your arms there's sun breaking through. Raindrops falling on your skin. My heart is racing from within. There's no umbrella for this love we're in. It was a kiss under the rain, like fire in the coldest haze. The whole world stopped right there in time, just you and me, your lips on mine. While heaven poured down endlessly, our hearts were writing destiny, a story I will never outgrow. One kiss under the rain, and I fell in love. Your laughter breaks the stormy night. My fear just vanished from your side. Each lightning flash across the sky reveals the love I cannot hide. We're soaked but we don't seem to care. Your loving gaze is always there. Let heavy weight fall from above. I only want to feel your love. Let the rain fall endlessly. Let the wind try to pull me free. Nothing stronger than you and me. That kiss we shared under the rain is a promise that will remain. An endless moment in my soul, where I first felt my heart grow. And if one day time passes by, whenever I hear the rain outside, I'll go back to that place we knew, to that kiss under the rain, where all our love began.